Welcome to this overview of the Collaboration Station mobile whiteboard. My name is Sophia, and I'm going to give you a short rundown of this unique addition to Luxor's mobile whiteboard product line. The Collaboration Station is designed to be the perfect tool to inspire creativity and collaboration in today's workspace and classrooms. It features a large double-sided whiteboard flanked by 4 smaller, detachable whiteboards. This allows team members to work independently, then come back together to share ideas. Each satellite whiteboard easily detaches and reattaches to the steel frame using the ABS connector clips. An integrated storage tray conveniently stows erasers and markers, while the built-in tray supports the 4 smaller boards when they're not in use. If you'd like additional marker boards, 4 packs are sold separately. 4 rolling casters ensure easy mobility, while the 2 locking brakes offer stability when required. The Collaboration Station offers stain-resistant writing surfaces, is magnetic, and is easy to assemble. If you're seeking the perfect way to bring the best ideas to life, Luxor's Collaboration Station is worth a look.